Okay, so welcome back again to another AI story. So today's AI story is based on the update of Stable Diffusion XL, which is now available in NightCafe Studio with some different style that you can try them out, and also the latest model for Stablecog, which is not based on Stable Diffusion, but it is an original model. So let's get started with the NightCafe Studio. So in the NightCafe Studio, you have to create an account as usual. NightCafe Studio is a great place that you can generate images right inside the NightCafe Studio. So here you can see they got different models here. This is the most popular model that they have, which the latest Stable Diffusion XL model is right inside, integrated into it. So you can use the daily 2 here, or you can also use the Stable Diffusion NightCafe. And if you are trying to generate some image from the older version of the style that they have here, the model they have there, you can try them out right inside here. So let's get it up here and click on the Stable Diffusion here. And once you select this style, this is when you click on it, you can see the blue line here indicate that you're selecting this style here. And then coming here, you can select the model. So we're selecting the SDXL beta here. And then let's type in another prompt inside here. So we type in our prompt here. So just want to copy this little prompt that I have here right inside here. And for the style, once you click here on the style, you can see they have the striking SDXL style, they have the anim SDXL style, they have the SDXL hyperreal, the vibrant color painting, and they have the abstract curves here. Okay, so let's try with the vibrant here. So once we select that, you can come back here selecting the number of images. So we want to generate 4 images, and 4 images generating 3 credits, so the tokens here. And now you can click on create to generate this using the prompt that we just type in. So you can see here's the image generated using the Stable Diffusion XL with that style of vibrant here. You can see the images here. Let's change to another style and see how it comes out. So let's try the striking here and then click on create. So here's the image coming out from this style, the striking. Let's try another one. Try the hyperreal here. So here are the images. Now, if you want to upscale any of these images, just come down here. You can see the image that you just generated. The output will be appearing here. And all you have to do is simply click on the eye icon here to select the image that you want to upscale. Either one of these. Let's just upscale this one. And then you go back up here, or simply you can just click inside right here and you can upscale the image that you want to. So let's click here and enhance it. So you have the option of enhance 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, and 8 times, and 15 times, which equals to 3 credits. Let's go to this one and upscale it and see how it comes out. So here's the image. We can download from here. You have the option of duplicating, you have the option of evolve this one, and you have the option of download. So let's click on download to download it. And let's change the style to a different style. Let's change to the abstract curves here. And then let's create again. So here's the abstract. I think I like this much better there. So let's select that. So let's click on the image and you can upscale from here. So let's upscale to 15.6 times and upscale that. So here's the upscale image. So simply selecting that and you can download it from here. So there you go. Stable Diffusion XL is right inside NightCafe Studio. So you can be able to choose the model, which is the Stable Diffusion, still in beta. And you can also use the different style that is based on Stable Diffusion XL. So the next update is Stablecog, and Stablecog with their latest model called Kandinsky, and it's not based on Stable Diffusion, but it's one of their own original models. So let's try out how good it is. So right here, that is where there's a very simple interface. You don't need to do many things or look at many things. All you have to do is typing in your prompt here and then selecting the resolution, or you can use an initial image to generate, or you can upload an image here and selecting different models that they have. So again, their new latest model is Kandinsky. So we can select Kandinsky, and I just want to copy a prompt here. So I just copy and paste the prompt in here, and then I just want to select the resolution 1:1 and the latest model, which is Kandinsky, and then let's click on generate. So you can see here the image that is generated, more realistic, something like that. Let's try another prompt. So here's a prompt that I just copy paste here, and then let's click on generate using the latest model Kandinsky. So you can see here's our little kitten here with snow. Now we can upscale this by click on the upscale button here to upscale option here to upscale it. So once you have that, you can click on download to download the image. Okay, so they got two great update, that is update of Stable Diffusion XL in NightCafe Studio, and also the latest model for Stablecog called Kandinsky. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.